Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will see 5 lines on nature. Number 1, nature is very beautiful. Number 2, it gives us a lot of things. Number 3, life is not possible without nature. Number 4, it is very important to stay close with Mother Nature. Number 5, we must protect our nature and its beauty. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.